How to solve Temu security verification. So if Temu keeps asking you to complete the security verification, shows a verification error, or blocks actions like checkout or logging, this video will show you how to fix it. So guys, if you're going to some kind of product, say I went ahead and opened up this power bank, and as you can see now I need to perform this security verification. So in general, it's actually pretty simple. A child can do this. So as you can see, the food nearest to the peach. So we have the peach, which is right over here, and the food is a milk, I guess. So let's just try clicking on it and submit. Failed, as you can see. I am not as smart as a kid, I guess. Vehicle nearest to the wardrobe. There you go, a bus. So if you press on this and then it just keeps repeating itself and you can't complete it, you can actually do this by clearing cache of your browser, and also clearing the cookies might help as well. So for that you go into your settings, then you navigate to clearing the cache, just type in cache, and you just delete the browsing data. And also if you wish to delete the cookies for Temu only, you go back into the website, you click on here, this is going to be the settings, then you go site settings, and here as you can see we have 11 cookies, and you just delete them, and this should fix you, right? So either erasing the cache of your browser or deleting the data for a specific website, which is going to be Temu, of course, and this should sort you out. So that's it. These are the fixes. Enjoy, guys. If this helps, like and subscribe.